everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix OnePlus is not turning on and you're having the trouble with the phone and how you can fix it. We can try these steps. So the first one is all about we need to charge your phone fully, which means you have to connect to the charger. So if the charger is not the power is not there, the phone will not be turning on. So you have to charge it up. So just connect to the charger and keep it to get it completely loaded up, and once afterwards you have to turn on the phone and see. If that is not the case, move to the next one. That is all about you have to make sure that the charger and cable is working fine. So you connect your smartphone to the charger and you switch on the charger and you left, but it's not charging. So you might be thinking the phone is having some kind of issue. Sometimes the issue can also be with the charger and the cable. So just cross-check the charger and cable is working fine. Or you can move to the third step. That is all about you have to use a different charger. Sometimes some people always have a tendency of using third-party chargers, which is causing the issue up. So I request you always should be having a practice of using the original charger, or else you'll be having a lot of trouble. And the last one is all about you have to check the damage. So you have to last one. After cross-checking all these things, you have to check yourself whether the phone is going through any kind of damage. For example, it is going through any kind of damage, physical damages which can result in this up. So if that is the case, and if you find any kind of suspicious thing, you can book an appointment with the officials OnePlus team, and you can talk to them and they're going to help you guys out. So these some of the basic troubleshoot or the steps can be helping guys out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.